If you want to experience Samsung flagship on a limited budget, then the FE series is the best option for you. S25 FE has been launched recently and the Samsung S26 FE is expected to be announced in the market soon, which we will discuss in this video. So first of all, the design. Dual camera setup is given on the back side. Just below that is the cover display, and finally the Samsung branding. The front is proper flat and the frame will be made of metal. So there is more information, so stay tuned to the video. My name is Avnish and you are watching Tech Hunger. And guys, for the photography you get two lenses. The main lens is 200MP and the second is telephoto, capable of achieving 3x optical zoom, and video can be recorded up to 8K, and other options like portrait and cinematic are also available. And you get a 10 megapixel front facing camera which let you shoot vlog in 4K. And now let's talk about the Samsung S25 FE performance. A Dimensity 9400 chipset has been installed and make this phone a great choice for gamers as well, because you can easily play heavy games without lagging. And plus point is that 8 and 12GB RAM option are available, and with One UI this phone runs quite smoothly. And the Samsung S26 FE feature a 6.6-inch dynamic AMOLED display. It comes with HDR10 Plus and 120Hz refresh rate, and this makes the display feel quite smooth. So there are no compromise to the screen. Now talk about the battery. It's equipped with the standard 5000 mAh battery and come with 45W charging capabilities, and as it has both wireless and reverse wireless option. Now it's time for ports. Samsung S26 FE has a Type-C port, and this significantly increased both charging and data transfer speed, and also stereo speaker and multiple microphone. And yes, this time it has a IR blaster, and guys has a single SIM slot that can accommodate 2 nano SIM card and multiple eSIM option, and an under display fingerprint sensor is available for security. And this time it has introduced a cover display which allow you take a selfie with the rear camera. And finally other features include like 5G, 512GB of storage, NFC and multiple color option. And with all this, its price will be around 50,000 and it will be announced in the market soon. So that was it. How did you like the video? Let us know in the comment. I will see you with the next topic. Okay friend, thank you.